In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Typeform to Google Sheets so responses save automatically. If you've ever wanted your form responses to flow straight into a spreadsheet for easy tracking, analysis, or sharing with a team, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and make sure everything is set up correctly so you don't miss a single response. Start by opening Typeform on your computer. Using a desktop browser makes the process smoother and ensures all the integration options are visible. Once you're in, find the form you want to connect and open it. From the form view, switch to the results area. This is where Typeform lets you manage how your incoming data is handled and where it should go. Next, look for the Connect section. This is Typeform's hub for integrations. Select Google Sheets from the available options. This integration will create a live link between your form and a spreadsheet so each new submission appears as a new row, with each question mapped to a column. When prompted, click Login to Google and allow access. Make sure you sign in with the Google account that owns or should own the spreadsheet. If you use multiple accounts, double check that you've selected the correct one. You'll see a permission screen explaining what Typeform can do. Granting access is required for the integration to work. Now choose where your responses should live. You can pick an existing Google Sheet or create a new one. If you choose an existing sheet, it's best to use a dedicated, empty sheet or a tab set aside for this form to avoid overwriting important data. If you create a new sheet, give it a clear name so you and your team can find it later. Typeform will handle the column setup for you based on your questions. Click Connect to finish. From this point on, new responses will automatically save to the sheet you selected. Keep in mind that only responses submitted after you connect will appear there. If you need older responses, you can export them from the results area and add them to your spreadsheet manually. To confirm everything's working, submit a quick test response and watch for it to appear in the sheet within a few seconds. If nothing shows up, check that you're using the right Google account, that pop-ups are allowed in your browser, and that the integration shows as active in Typeform's Connect section. And that's it. You've linked your Typeform to Google Sheets for seamless, automatic data collection.